Welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is a very quick video to motivate those of you who may live in apartment complexes. Despite not having any land to grow food, this person is preparing for difficult times by keeping a 3-month food supply on hand. Also, this person is retired and is on a fixed income. I say this because it is possible to prep with limited funds if you manage your money and properly control your debt. I also want to note that despite living in an apartment in the suburbs, this person has a place to go if things get bad, a place away from densely populated areas where they can assist with growing food and preserving food. Just because you do not have land or a lot of money doesn't mean you're a SOL in a poop hits the fan scenario. Having a trusted and loyal relationship with a friend or family and a good work ethic goes a long way. So take this time and discuss a partnership or alliance with people you trust that will be more of a value than a burden. People that have something to contribute to you or the group. Also, do not underestimate the value of the elderly.